Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Android emulator applications GameLoft is not opening or crashing on your Windows computer. So GameLoft is one of the most famous Android emulators for Windows PC. It allows us to play games such as PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the game with admin rights. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. And dito sa search for app, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung GameLoft. And then kailangan mo lang mag-right click. And next step, so kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung Run as Administrator. Okay, so click mo lang yan. If you receive user account control, and i-click mo lang dito yung yes. Ayan. So, automatic dito na ma-open kaagad itong ating app applications. Alright? And then, next step na pwede natin gawin. So, close lang natin tong GameLoft applications. And then, allow the software through firewall. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So, all you have to do is to open up again on the search menu. And dito sa search for apps, so kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung Windows Security. Ayan. And then, i-click mo lang dito yung open. And next step, dito lang sa left side menu. And then, kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung firewall and network protection. So, click mo lang yan. And next step, dito lang sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down. And then, i-select mo lang dito yung allow an app through firewall. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then, dito sa kanyang allow apps to communicate through Windows Defender Firewall, ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung change setting dito sa upper right side. So, i-click mo lang yan. And next step, ay kailangan mo lang i-locate na dito yung GameLoft. Alright? So, scroll ka lang and then hanapin mo dito yung GameLoft. So, once na-locate mo na yung GameLoft dito, and next step, dito lang sa kanyang private and public ay kailangan naka-check itong box. Alright? So, kailangan naka-check yan. And then next step, ay kailangan mo lang i-click dito yung okay. Alright? So, ang next solution na pwede natin gawin is to kill unnecessary tasks running in the background. Kung paano ba yan natin gawin? So, all you have to do is to right-click on the taskbar. Dito lang sa blank space area. So, kailangan mo lang mag-right-click. And select mo lang dito yung Task Manager. So, once na-open mo na dito yung Task Manager, and then next step, ay dito lang sa kanyang Processes, Tabs, and then dito lang sa right side, ay kailangan mo lang i-locate dito yung mga unnecessary task, mga kaibigan, na nagra-run dito sa background. Okay, so makikita mo naman dito sa kanyang CPU usage and then yung memory, and then kung ano yung pinakamataas dito or yung unnecessary apps talaga ay kailangan mo lang itong i-end task. So, i-select mo lang yan and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then i-click mo lang dito yung end task. Okay? So, once nagawa mo na dito sa task manager and then next step, so close lang natin yan. At dito lang sa start menu, kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix GameLoft not opening or is crashing on Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.